Shots coming in of Anna supporters protesting outside Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit's residence in the capital. Now Anna supporters also voicing their dissent against the Chief Minister of Delhi. They've also done that outside Union Telecom Minister Kapil Sibal's residence earlier today. Bhavtosh on the phone line with us. Bhavtosh.
Well, the protest started taking place early in the morning. It started with the protesters gathering outside Sibal's residence, and then they camped themselves outside the residence of Delhi CM Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit for nearly 30-35 minutes. Then they moved to the residence of Ajay Maken, and at Sibal's residence, around 30-odd supporters were detained initially by the police, but they were later released when they submitted a declaration bond. As of now, all of them have been released, but security in Lutyens, Delhi, where most of the ministers and senior Delhi government officials live, have been tightened. In fact, barricades have been put outside the residence of Home Minister Chidambaram, Salman Khurshid, and Kapil Sibal. The police have said that no one would be allowed to protest, but at the residence of Ajay Maken and Sheila Dikshit, they were allowed to protest, but were later told to leave the place. Otherwise, they would be detained.
Right, Bhavtosh, stay with us. Live pictures coming in of protesters outside Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit's residence. As far as measures being taken in the capital are concerned, Bhavtosh, what are the Delhi police telling you, given that, today we've seen various protests outside various leaders' houses?
Well, senior officers in the Delhi police have said that they have been given a specific instruction by the government that in no case a bait-and charge would be used or that a force would be used. Most of the places where the protests have taken place, from the visual, it's very clear that the police personnel are unarmed. They are not carrying any form of baton or a lathi, and they are only taking people into custody if the protest continues for a very long time. But security definitely has been beefed up in New Delhi area, particularly at the residence of Home Minister Chidambaram and Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee.